So the video stopped again. I only started entering around 10,000 on Bitcoin, and this is where everyone got out. And then 2018 came, and it was just voila, voila. Now look, we're bottoming out. We're back at these levels. Currently trading at 8,200 bucks. 8,200 bucks. That's how much Bitcoin is. And like I said, I'm a bull on cryptocurrencies. So I'm going to be looking to buy this and holding it till maybe the end of the year. Why not? If it decides to move and we break 9,000, actually if we break 11,600, then I think we're cooking with grease, eh? I think we're cooking with grease, and we might see this get back to these good levels. You gotta be optimistic if you're gonna be investing in this. Anyway, that's Bitcoin. We checked it out. Now let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum is around 460. That's a whole lot cheaper than Bitcoin. I mean, one Bitcoin is 8,000 US dollars, whereas Ethereum is like $460. But anyway, it's the same movement. Last year, August came, well, July, people decided, okay, let's do this. July, all the way through to January. We went from 140 bucks for one Ethereum, all the way to about 1,300 for one Ethereum, all the way up here. We did this. This is what we did. And then 2018 came and we gave it all back. Well, I didn't give it all back. The market gave it all back. Down here, we tried again, but no luck. And now we're bottoming out. We tried again here from about 400 to 780, and now the market hit 780 and came dropping down again to 400. We're back at the 400 levels. Last time we were at the 400 levels, we had a bit of bulls. So maybe this time we get a bit of bulls again. And don't forget, when these guys get back from their summer vacation, they're not thinking, let me sell that. They want to buy because it's cheap. I mean, last year, let me not say cheap, but it's of value. One could think of this as undervalued relative to January. January is 1,300 bucks, and now it's 400 bucks. Interesting. Anyway, that's my analysis of Ethereum and Bitcoin. Let's have a look at one more. This is Ripple. So these are my three favorite. Ripple, Bitcoin, actually Ethereum and Ripple. These are my favorite. Bitcoin, I just use it because it's the main one, and they're all pretty much tied. So if that, and I'm sure you guys noticed the sentiment is a buy on Bitcoin. That's quite interesting. At levels of support, that is an interesting thing. If that starts to move up, the Bitcoin, if it starts to move out, it might pull these up with it. Ethereum, Ripple, your Nero, your all those funky cryptocurrencies, they would also start to rise, right? I mean, and these things move together. Look at this. Let's go back to August, no, July, when it was about 14 cents. 14 cents for Ripple. And then it went all the way to $3 in January, and it gave it all back. So 14 cents all the way up to $3, gave it all back. And now we're trading we're bottoming out here at 0.45, 45 cents. Anyway, now that we've looked at cryptocurrencies, we can move on to some foreign exchange currencies. Foreign exchange currencies, and make some plans for the week. See, I don't intraday trade these. The cryptocurrencies. I'll trade them on longer term charts, like the daily. For example, the charts that I've been showing you, those are daily charts of the cryptocurrencies that I trade. Actually, I don't think we have enough time to get down to business in terms of currencies. Well, on this video, I'll probably record another video and check you guys in a few.